Are you doing open houses as a part of your business plan to generate leads? And what is the most effective way to generate leads at an open house? Most agents don't even set themselves up for success because they don't plan long enough before the open house. So here's a few tips from a buddy of mine who's a mega producer that did 24 million last year in GCI. And the first thing that Andy does is he goes all day with his open houses, 8 to 10 hours a day, 7 days a week, as much as the sellers will allow you to open the house up. And the next thing that he does is he puts out 20 to 40 signs all over the area with the address and the hours of the open house. And the last thing is he prints out a ton of flyers that has the property information, and on the back is a list of homes available around the area with your contact information on it. And here's the golden nugget right here. Focus on one person at a time. Build rapport. Find out what they're looking for. Find out if they have a house they need to sell before they need to buy. Find out as much information as you possibly can and try to set an appointment. Don't overthink it. Hold longer open houses, get more foot traffic through the house, and capitalize on those leads that come through. And hey, if you're an agent, team leader, or broker looking to generate more leads on a monthly basis, then text the word leads to the number below, and my team members will send you a worksheet with over 121 ways to generate leads in your business. Now get out there and go crush it.